Finally, we arrive at Bumi Anoa in Kendari, the capital city of Southeast Sulawesi. Southeast Sulawesi has extraordinary nature beauty, cultural tradition, underwater tourism, and historical relics during the Sultanate era. Wanna enjoy the beauty of Southeast Sulawesi? I will share an amazing experience and invite you to see some of the closest tourist destinations from Kendari. Start and capture your journey in the land of 1,000 beaches and islands by calming your heart and mind. Religious tours at the Al-Alam Mosque, which stands majestically right in the middle of Kendari Bay. Feel the morning sun among the lush trees accompanied by the soft lapping of the waves. Here at the Wawabungi Beach, providing its own peace. The rising sand is also a special spot when the water recedes. Silence of the resort atmosphere, Wawo Venture is perfect for travelers who want to find peace. Not far from the resort, there's Toli Toli Labenki Clam Conservation Center. Out of the 10 species of clams in the world, most of which are endangered, we can learn and see the conservation of 9 species of clams, including the largest clam in the world, Kimah Boy. Warmth of the white sands of the beautiful and pleasant Toronipa Beach welcomes your arrival. Within 45 minutes long trip, the excitement of exploring the island with crystal clear water can be enjoyed on Bokori Island. Natural panorama of Labenki Island with the Bay of Love will calm your heart and mind. The stunning natural contours with clusters of rocks shows the beauty of Labenki Island. Located in Tanjung Peropa, Natural Reserve Forest area with a height of 100 meters, the Morama waterfall becomes a waterfall with 7 levels that blends like a dazzling natural gate. You can see the natural beauty within the contours of the hills and beautiful flowery gardens in the botanical garden path. In the afternoon, a trip that brings beautiful colors combined with the Dana sunset shows the extraordinary beauty of the bay at Kendari Bay Bridge. Come and see for yourself. Enjoy the beauty of Bumi Anoa. Southeast Sulawesi, wonderful.